Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Windows protected your PC Windows 11. To start, when you try to run the file, you will see the system protection error. After this, in the search box, enter Security. Click on Windows Security. Here you are going to go to the section App and Browser Control. Click on the line Reputation-Based Protection Settings. After that, disable the switches, check apps and files, and Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. When you do this, you can see that it is now possible to use the installation wizard without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.